Hey everybody, this is Rich. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Tell you what we're gonna do for you is another Kachava recipe. I know, relax. Relax, my meat lovers. We got videos coming. Relax. Okay guys, we are going to do another Kachava recipe today for lunch because it's lunchtime and I feel that my belly wants to have something to eat. So we're gonna go ahead and do a recipe called Blueberry Blush with some oranges and blueberries. So again, Kachava.com, get you some, love it, like it, rate it. Wow, good stuff. Let's get inside and get us some lunch. All right guys, we're back. We're gonna use 2 scoops of our vanilla Kachava. We have some blueberries along with a whole orange. So let's go ahead and get it in. 1, 2 handful of blueberries and a whole orange. Woo woo. And we're gonna give this a try here. We're gonna try some unsweetened almond milk because I hear that this is fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get it in. Go ahead and pour it in there. Looks a little thicker than milk. All right, right there. Let's give it a blend. Time to blend it. All right, guys. Here's our blueberry blush. So we're gonna get it in. It has the Kachava smell. The almond milk is kind of giving me a little bit of a weird thing, but everything else has been good. Look at it. See the blue? It's heavy. It's heavier than most. And we're at 16 ounces, which is probably 2 ounces more than what it says 10 to 14, but fuck it, let's do it. A little bit of pulp from the orange. Okay, it's processing. You get the vanilla from the Kachava. You get the orange from the orange, obviously. Not so much the blueberries. They're in there, though. The almond milk gives it a little bit of a different twang, but I like it. It's probably a little better for me than using vitamin D milk. A friend reached out to me and said that try unsweetened almond milk. So this stuff's pretty good, man. That's not bad. It's called Orange Blush. It's on Kachava.com's website. It's not too bad. Now, I'll tell you, against the Pink Flamingo, I like that a whole lot better. But that's a totally different, a totally different atmosphere of flavor. So, we're going to enjoy this Kachava, our blueberry blush. Again, check out Kachava.com. Give them a look-see. You can't go wrong, man. You can't go wrong with it. So, again, give it a try. Folks, we got some meat videos coming out, don't worry. For my longtime faithfuls. We got a grilled chicken breast video getting ready to come out. So, guys, give us a try. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. Let you know when I upload. And share with your friends and family and the world. And when you do share with them, tell them the best barbecue and the Kachava shakes come from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.